In today's video, I am going to teach you how to understand pip values on Pepperstone. Start by making sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Trader platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to the trading instrument that you want to work with and open its chart. This will make it easier to view the market and access the order settings for that specific instrument. Next, click New Order or use the order panel on the right side of the platform if it is already visible. In that order panel, look for the field that shows the pip value. This is the area that tells you how much each pip movement is worth for the trade size you have selected. Take a moment to observe the current pip value displayed for the trading instrument. This value is important because it helps you understand how much profit or loss can result from a 1 pip movement in price. The number shown will depend on both the instrument you have selected and the position size you plan to trade. Now adjust the quantity or lots to a different value. As soon as you change the lot size, the pip value should update automatically. This is one of the easiest ways to see how trade size affects your risk and reward. A larger lot size will generally increase the pip value, while a smaller lot size will reduce it. Continue by comparing a few different lot sizes. Watch how the pip value changes each time you increase or decrease the quantity. This helps you get familiar with how the platform calculates the value of each pip for your selected instrument. It also gives you a clearer view of how much market movement can affect your trade. Before placing any trade, review the updated pip value carefully. Make sure the value displayed matches the lot size you selected and the instrument you plan to trade. This is an important step because it helps confirm that your trade setup reflects the level of exposure you intend to take. Use the displayed pip value to better understand the potential profit or loss for each pip movement before entering the market. This can help you make more informed trading decisions and manage position size more effectively. Once you have confirmed that the pip value matches your selected lot size and trading instrument, you are ready to continue with your trade planning. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.